Here you can see giveaway opportunities is still there from the Bull Waves Prime prop firm. To participate this giveaway, this video is just for education purpose. Hey traders, welcome back to my new video. As you know, I updated previously on my channel. I have passed phase 1 and phase 2 of my 10k funded challenge with Bull Waves Prime. Here you can see the phase 1 and phase 2 success. Then I got a funded account. Also, I showed my second video in this video. And you can see I failed the funded account. After I passed phase 1 by targeting the 8% profit and phase 2 by targeting the 5% profit, I got funded and received the funded account from Bull Waves Prime. And then I can't even profit 0.5% on this account. My maximum profit was $43, I think. $23. Here you can see. After that, I just gone down and down and down. Finally, I breached my account. The challenge is failed. That means my funded account is breached. I was traded almost 14 days in this funded account. Literally my 1 month gone wasted. That means 10 days for phase 1, 10 days for phase 2 and 14 days on funded account. In total, 35 days I spent on this challenge. Finally, I breached. Can't withdraw any single penny. So whatever, this is a part of game. I started another account, which is a phase 1 account, 10k. This is my account number. Here you can see. Today is the day 3. I am up 3%. Actually, on the first day when I started this challenge, I was up 3%. And Saturday and today is Sunday. I just traded for the day count. Here you can see I was straight up 3% on the first day. I have to trade 10 days. That's why I want to count 2 off days by trading crypto. There is opportunity to trade crypto as well. So I placed Bitcoin trade yesterday. Here you can see the BTC and I lost $14. And today I was placed another BTC trade and gained $11. And here you can see my total equity is $10,300 and I have to reach the target of $1,000, which is 10% target. If you see their phase 1 challenge, 10k, step 1, the profit target is for phase 1, 10%. And then I will get funded. The price is $149, but I got discount 20%, which is offer is running. Minimum trading days I have to trade 10 days and my maximum drawdown is 8%. Daily drawdown is 4%. So I can trade all assets. That means forex, crypto, indices, stocks as well. So the rules is same what I explained in this video, this giveaway videos. And if you want to know their trading rules, you can watch this video. And so I started this challenge. Hope I will pass the phase 1. I will keep updating on my YouTube channel, also my Telegram channel. So join to my Telegram channel and also you can follow me on X. Here you can see my X profile. The username is algofx_pro. I am bringing regular opportunities for my followers. Here you can see the last giveaway winners, which I selected by automated tools and sometimes I select personally. And so many giveaway opportunities you will get in my channel. Here you can see giveaway opportunities is still there from the Bull Waves Prime prop firm. To participate this giveaway, please visit my X profile. Here is the post. You can get all the instruction here. For that, you have to browse x.com/algofx_pro. And once you scroll down on my X profile, you will see this post and follow the instruction, participate this giveaway. Here is so many opportunities, win cash, win a funded challenge and so many things. Here you can see so many giveaways I already hosted and all the updates. Also, you will get all the contents about forex trading and prop firm tradings, prop firm giveaway and discount updates. So don't waste your time here and there. Join me right now by subscribing my YouTube channel, following my X handle and Telegram as well. You will get all the links in my video description. This is a very good prop firm and their rules, terms and conditions is very good to improve a trader. That's why I am trading with this prop firm. If you want to trade with this prop firm on MT5, please go to my video description and click on the link and get funded yourself as well. And follow me to Forex learning, prop firm trading education, and also get free funded challenge opportunities. See you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.